Holystone HS200 FPV drone with camera, 720p HD live video for adults and kids, RC Wi-Fi quadcopter with voice, app control, altitude hold, 3D flip, 1 key function, 2 batteries, easy to fly for beginners. Hi, welcome my friend. Many features: altitude hold, emergency stop, 360 degrees flip, headless mode, and 1 key takeoff and landing. All of that can be realized on HS200. Intelligent design for HS200 enables the drone to complete the command by your voice. Unlock multiple functions while controlling the flight through the dedicated app on your smartphone. HD 720p FPV camera. Seize the moment by equipped field of vision 120 degrees wide angle lens. Take an aerial video by this quadcopter and watch real-time images on your device. 2.4G technology realizes that several models can be played at the same time without interference. The 6-axis gyro provides extra stability to enjoy the fun of flight. Easy to learn. Enjoy the fun by Holystone drones, even as a beginner. Convenient operation and clear instructions makes a rookie pilot easy to learn and use in a short time. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.